Hey guys, welcome back. And today I have found a bird in a tree. Literally. Look. Hold on guys, let me get the camera back. Maybe I gotta zoom in. Look. Right there. Okay. See it? See that? Just flew off. But anyways, let me know down in the comments if you saw it.
What?
Oh,
You know how he'll get on. Was that picture of the ball?
yeah. Anyways, guys, that was only the intro. That was actually I guess you could call that a new intro of looking at animals, I guess. Tomorrow, if I even do a video tomorrow, might be a cat, might be a dog, might be any other animal that I find. Like a frog. Or even another bird. Never know. Also, yes, I can do it with one animal in one row. But anyways, I'm gonna show you the latest update on the house, in the dining room. It's the kitty cat. The kitty cat. What are you doing? Why is it after my feet? There's the cat. After my toes again. Why is it always after my toesies? Anyway, let's go in. So, I know you know how, so comment down below if you remember this, but the fridge used to be white, and now, and the freezer used to be on the top, and the fridge on the bottom, but now, the fridge is black, and the freezer is on right here, and the fridge is right here. Pretty cool. Also, yeah, it's those freezers that you could get ice and water out of. There's the light button, and then the water coming down to this one. And then right there, see that? Just ice. To that one. Okay, and yeah, so I was just trying to show you the bird, basically. It wasn't really an intro. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. And see ya. Bye.